Hi, it's Scott Orban here, McKenzie Meadows Golf Club. It's Saturday, July 6th. We're working away at our flood, etc. And I'm here with Jan Zalud, and Jan is with JZ Aerial. And just going to show you what he's doing. He's throwing together his glider that's going to go up and do some aerial shots for us.
Just going to get the wingtips. I'll be right back.
All right, he's going to go get some wingtips. We're under a little bit of pressure for time, just because you can see the clouds. You know, we might get a few thunder showers, but sounds like Jan's going to get it done. We've placed some cones out on the golf course to show, you know, so that you can go in and do some geo mapping later. So there's his unit, and are you gonna need my hands there, Jan?
Hold on a second.
Need a ride?
Dave is there. He needs a ride. That's my colleague. He's helping me set things up and monitor things as we fly. So he's going to be coming here shortly.
All right. Well, we'll get him a ride. Up and away.
So the first waypoint, guys, is towards the clubhouse.